In this video, we're going to be installing OpenClaw for PC. So the basic requirements for installing OpenClaw on PC is that you're going to have to need the Node.js and Git install on your computer. So if you don't have the Node.js, we're going to go to nodejs.org and get Node.js from here. Scroll down and we're going to get the pre-built Node.js for Windows. Click on the installer and begin the installation immediately. No need to check this box, and next, install. Once it has been installed, finish. Now we're going to go to source box, type in here PowerShell and right click on the Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. Now in case if you don't have Git installed on your PC, we're going to have to input the command to install the Git. This command here, command is given in description. In my case, the Git is already installed, so it shows here found an existing package already installed. In your case, if it's not installed, it will give you on screen wizard with the help of which you can install Git on your PC. Now once the Git and Node.js have been installed, we're gonna have to input the command for the installation of OpenClaw, which is this one here. This command is also given in description. Just copy that and paste it here, enter. Yes, it's now installing here. It might give you this kind of Windows security alert, so allow the access. So it's been installed here, OpenClaw. You can type in here OpenClaw and enter. It shows you all the options available and the list of commands. So that's how you can install the OpenClaw on PC. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.